Hello everyone, start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, comb the rest of the hair together, lift it upwards, slightly loosen it, then take a multiple prong decorative pin, push it from the bottom to the top as such, and then divide the rest of the hair into two parts, and then push it back down as such. After you have done this, make two braids out of the two sections that you have created. Once you have made the two braids, add a rubber band at the end of it, make it crisscross at the bottom, roll it upwards, and then fasten it in place on either side of it. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself as such. Take a section from the left side of the hair and pull it through the top right section. Take a section from the right side of the hair, pull it through the top left section. Now gather all of the hair together, make a braid out of it, add a rubber band at the bottom, loosen the sides of the braid using your fingers, roll the braid upwards, and then use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place from the top. Start off by tying a ponytail to the hair and then roll this ponytail in on itself through the side. Comb up any gap that may be present, divide this ponytail into two parts, and then at the middle of each of these two parts, add a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself through these middle sections, and then join the two together. After this, roll it up into a bun, use a decorative multiple prong pin to fasten it in its place. Start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair and then make a small loop or a small bump rather at the end on the last loop of the hair. Now slightly spread it out as such, gather the rest of the hair together, add a rubber band in the middle of it, and after you have done so, roll the hair in on itself through this section. Once you have done so, wrap it around the bun that you have created and wrap it around the top as such. Taking the rest of the hair, slightly loosen the sides of it using your fingers. Do this on either side of the division that you have created. You may use decorative pins or normal bobby pins in order to fasten the bottom of it in its place. Make sure that none of the rough ends are seen and hide it behind the bun. You may also use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place from the side. Now using your fingers, loosen the top of the scalp as such. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side. Tie it up at the back, add a rubber band to it, tie a low ponytail to the hair, add a rubber band at the bottom, slightly spread it out, and then add a butterfly decorative clip to the top of this. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side and begin to braid the hair as such. Once you reach the bottom of this, you may add a rubber band to it and then use your fingers to adjust it as need be. Now roll it upwards and fasten it in place by using a long decorative clip as such. We have used one with purple flowers. You may use a decoration of your choice. Start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair, lift up this ponytail, and from the bottom, push in a decorative multiple prong pin and then push it back down through the top. Now add a rubber band at the end of it and fasten the top portion in place by pushing it down. Next, start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair, then take this bun stick, gather the hair within it, and then begin to roll it upwards. Wrap the hair around it as such. Adjust it as need be, and underneath, use a multiple prong decorative pin underneath. Next, divide the hair into two parts, wrap one section over the other as such. Now lift it up and twist it over. Use a decorative clip on top of it. Thank you for watching.